Hi there, this is Craig, the Natural Medic, and I'm reviewing this bag here, which is not sponsored. Just a bag that I picked up about a year ago for traveling. I wanted something other than a suitcase or a rolling bag when I'm doing my different adventure trips. And this one appealed to me because it was on Amazon. It is the Maetin travel backpack. Let's take a look at it and see how it works for travel. One of the things you're looking at for a travel backpack is lots of accessibility, and I think this one fits the bill. We'll look at it a little more in depth in a moment. The accessibility on this, you have an outside pocket, which is pretty big. I'll open that up in a minute. We have this pocket here, a main compartment that has some dividers in it that we'll see when we open it up. Logistically, it has straps. You can see one of the straps here, but we'll turn it over in a second so you can see that. It has a handle on the right side of the backpack if you're wearing it, the left side if you're looking at it, and there's one also on the top. You can carry it like a regular suitcase if you wanted to. You do have some pretty nice straps on the side to help control the load. Everything really is built very well, in my opinion. I've had this thing for a year. Taken it on probably a dozen trips or so, at least, and it hasn't failed me. The zippers are functional, the buckles are functional, has those on both sides. As you can see, I have not taken the tag off, but I wanted to show you this on the tag. It says it has a lifetime warranty. It says Maetin strives hard to ensure every product we sold with the highest quality. If anything happens to your Maetin product, simply return it to us. We will take care of the rest. To learn more about our lifetime warranty, exclusions, and limitations, please search Maetin. It is an Amazon brand. I haven't had any problems, so I hadn't had to contact them. Let's flip it over and take a look. We've got some pretty decent padding here. Not the thickest of padding for the straps, but you're not carrying this on an expedition. You're carrying this through an airport, from your vehicle to your accommodations, whether it be a tent, an Airbnb, a cabin, something of that nature. You have good padding on the lower back or upper pelvis area. You have some padding on the shoulder area. As I said, not the thickest straps in the world, but I haven't had a problem. You even have a sternum strap to keep your straps controlled there. And you can see here the straps snap off with an easy little clip here if you wanted to stow those underneath this strap so they're not flopping around. Let's take a look inside this bad boy. On the top here, you have a lot of room. I have a charger in there right now. Zips up pretty easily. Inside of that other pocket, you have some decent organization. You have a zipper pocket where you can store small items, like I have this USB drive there. You have a place where you can put some pins and some smaller things, and a planner in there. And this is a bigger compartment, and it's pretty deep. You have another compartment underneath this zipper pocket right there. If you're liking this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know that you approve. That gets it out to other people and helps this channel reach more people. Thanks. All right, let's look at the main compartment. The main compartment has an expander here that you can change. It's kind of hard to do one-handed, but we'll see what we can do here. We're going to open this guy up, and there you go. So you've got a very spacious main compartment. Unorganization at the moment, but if you take all this out, you have some straps to help control the load. One that side, one this side. The construction feels very durable, in my opinion, and I appreciate that. Those straps are elastic, as you saw. Over here you have a place for, I use it for my underwear and socks. Put that over there, and then you can close this up. Now, as far as dimensions, I did measure it before I did the video. It's going to be kind of hard to measure and film at the same time, but I'll do my best. Dimensions for carry-on. Definitely check your airline to make sure this is right. Dimensions for carry-on are 9 inches here, up and down. Let's see if we can put that on camera. So roughly we're looking at where my finger is at the top of the measurement, about 7 inches. As far as the width goes, let's zip it up so we can see that more accurately. So we're looking at 14 inches. And then length, we're looking at about 22 inches. It does fit for standard carry-on, so that's helpful. I think it's a pretty utilitarian pack. I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out if you want to purchase one for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Think about subscribing to the channel for more videos about outdoor adventures, travel, reviewing products, and skills we use in these outdoor adventures. Until next time, we'll see you out there on the trail. Okay, bye.